What is that, Ellie? Is that yours? Huh? Get it. Get it. Come on. Well, get it. I'm gonna get it. Danny's gonna love watching you play. Yes, he is. He's gonna love watching you play. Throw it around some more. Throw it around some more. Oh, yeah, dog nose. Dog nose. Danny's favorite thing. Get it. Get it. Play with it. Come on. Can you get it? Are you going to bury it in the cushion again? That's where you keep hiding things. That's where you keep hiding things. You funny girl. You funny girl. Pose for the camera, Ellie. Brother, you're such a strange dog. I'm playing. What's that noise? Huh? What's that noise? That's me. That's a chair I'm sitting on, squeaking against the wall. Ellie Belly. Ellie. What are you doing? Is that good? Is that good? You're quick. Okay, this should be enough amusement for Danny for a little while. There you go, honey. Just Ellie hanging out in the back room with me. We'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye.